Welcome to Daily English and English. Today you will learn how to talk to your child's teacher with confidence. Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning. I have a meeting with my child's teacher. What is your child's name? Her name is Cindy Park. Please sign in here and take a seat.
Hello, you must be Cindy's parent. Yes, that's me. Please sit down. Thank you for seeing me today. You're welcome. I am still learning English. Could you please speak slowly? Of course. Please tell me if you need me to repeat. How is my child doing in school? Cindy is kind and friendly. She works hard. That makes me feel happy. Is she reading well? She is improving, but she needs more practice. What can we do at home? Please read together every night. Sometimes she forgets to bring her homework. I understand. I will check her bag every day. She talks with friends during lessons. I will remind her to listen. Can you give me an example of her homework? Yes, she needs to write 3 sentences each night. How are her test scores? They are average, but she is improving. Thank you for explaining. She was absent twice last month. She was sick, but I will inform the school next time. What should I know about school rules? Please make sure she arrives on time. There is one more thing I want to ask.
Of course. What is it?
My daughter says math is very hard for her.
Yes, I also noticed that.
Can you tell me what she is having trouble with?
She has difficulty with addition and subtraction.
I see. Thank you for telling me. What is the school doing to help her?
She joins a small math group during class.
That sounds helpful. Is it possible for her to stay after school for math help?
Yes, we have an after-school math program twice a week.
That would be great for her.
The program is on Tuesday and Thursday.
What time does it start?
It starts at 3:30.
Is there any cost for this program?
No, it is free.
Thank you so much. What can I do at home to help her with math?
Please practice 10 minutes every night.
We can do that. Do you have any video lessons we can use?
Yes, the school website has math videos.
I will watch them with her. How will I know if she is improving?
I will send you a progress email every month.
I really appreciate that.
Please tell her that she is not bad at math.
I will encourage her every day. So she will join the math group and after-school program.
Yes, starting next week.
That makes me feel better. Thank you for caring about my child.
It is my pleasure.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Practice phrases. Repeat slowly. She is having trouble with math. What is the school doing to help her? Can she stay after school? How can I help at home? Do you have any video lessons? Thank you for caring about my child. You are doing something very important for your child. Talking with your child's teacher helps your child succeed. Practice these conversations again and again.